So today we'll see what happened in the market. Today whole market has went up. If you see the mid caps and junior nifty and small caps, all the indices has performed very well. Everything closed positively. And when it comes to sectors, chemical sector has performed well, and even metal closed 2.3% upside. Media also closed positively. Apart from FMCG and pharma, everything closed positively. So if you see metal, public banks again, so these two are from last 10 days, they are in top three actually. So yeah, realty after so many days, realty closed positively. I think it's just a bounce with along with the market. We need to see. Unless we see a follow up, we can't say anything because the whole trend, if you see, there is no trend, neither positive momentum in this index. Anyway, this is at bottom. So our main focus will be metal and public banks as of now. And apart from that, you see, auto trend is good, but there is no momentum in it. Yeah, banks and private banks, IT and public banks, basically finance and metal. These are good. So in thematic, PSC and energy performed very well. 4.6% upside PSC, whereas energy 4.2% upside. And oil and gas also. I think today Oil India Private Limited has closed upside very nicely. And I made a video on Oil India Limited based on its technical analysis. You can check it out in my channel itself. And where the structure is, it will tell you where the structure is, what are the where the supply zone is and demand zone is, and where the price is at in the current structure. Yeah, when it comes to industries, today it was Air Force and Defense, Railway Wagon and Shipbuilding. Yeah, apart from defense, if you see, shipbuilding and railway wagon also performed very well today. Telecom, infra, and water supply and management. How many out of 5 stocks from water supply? Everything performed. So mostly all the stocks performed well today. And coal, okay, even Coal India also did very well today. So moreover, like today, what happened? Commodities, metals, PSU banks, and capital goods sector stocks. No, they all performed very well today. See, oil, it performed again from oil. 83% of the stocks closed positively, and the industry closed 3.5% upside. Okay, so I can't pick one industry which performed good because most of the industries closed more than 2% today. So yeah, nearly 50-60 industries closed positively. So it's very bullish day. We will see. So there is no point if you see the top performed. Okay, if you see here, oil came in top 30, which closed nearly 10% is upside today. Oil is one thing, I've already made a video on it. So you can check out in my channel where the structure is right now. So yeah, so apart from that, let's see the defense. Okay, if you see aerospace and defense, so this is what the whole industry data patterns has closed 13.5% upside. Midani, Avantel, BL. I think BL I made a video. No. Okay, what I do, I'll make a video on defense sector also. I think mostly tomorrow in the second half I will try to post it. Defense as an index, defense is broken from the trend line. It broke the historically existing resistance trend line. So I think in coming days we need to see how the price is going to behave in these particular stocks. So as of now, the bias is positive for aerospace and defense. So far, it was only up for PSU and metal stocks, but now the bias was also positive in defense sector. So that's what for defense. And if you see the market breadth, today 80% stocks closed positively, which is very, very good. And as a total market, the average was 2% positive upside. And yeah, if you see today's situation, 23% of the stocks closed 4% upside and only 1.4 downside. So it is a very good ratio, 16. If you see in last, not even, yeah, the last highest is somewhere around 8.4, or you can say the 9.2. Somewhere around, it was somewhere in December 23. So again, I think buying has come, and we can, why I'm saying the buying has come, because we have been observing the consolidation at this location. If you see, let's check it in this thing. If you see over here, for last couple of I think 4 days, it was taking support. It came to this demand zone actually, which is 22,600 to 22,800. Within these 200 points of demand zone, it was consolidating. So from there, yesterday it tried closing upside by taking a support at this zone, and today it followed. There is a follow-up buying over here, and even 4% upside stocks are also very good. The ratio is very good, which also confirms that it is trying to go upside. Unless there is a huge selling, we can consider this as a kind of bounce from here. So whether it will convert into this kind of run upside, we need to see the price behavior in coming days. So let's see. As of now, the bias looks positive, a bit positive, but yet I can clearly say that if this 21 days total market breadth also turns positive, that is when we can clearly say the market environment is a bit better. And from swing point of view, if you say still the price is below the 10 and 21 SMA, so it is not still good for a swing trading, which means yes, there is some movement in the market, positive movement, but there is no confirmation in the market. And if you see the fall of the candles over here, uh, you can see a trend line resistance over here. I think that might have broken, or it is about to break. Tomorrow, we candle will tell us a complete picture. So